What's going on YouTube? Welcome again to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new Mavic 2 Pro. So I've always wanted a drone to film like riding videos, driving videos. It's just that I couldn't justify, the price of a drone. I don't even know if I'm going to use it all that much. So, but I got this from Facebook Marketplace, private seller. It's still sealed and brand new at a really good deal. I don't want to say the price because it's really good. So, but it's a good deal. So it's not retail. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we have inside. And so the box slides out. There you go. All right. So you have, I guess this is just the most basic package because the guy didn't have any accessories with it, so you just have the drone, the controller, one battery, charger, and all the cables. So I'm gonna see if I can put it all together. It still has to charge, so I can't really do it much with it. So it's gonna be sometime after this video where I'm gonna do a test flight. So and you'll see that in a couple seconds because of editing. So here I have to remove these stickers. So let's start with one of those. So this sticker right here, as you can see here, powering on is this one. This is also how to check your battery. I don't think it's charged at all. Nope, it's not charged at all. So here's your lens cover, and it just pulls out. So I'm really excited about the footage I'm gonna get because we have a trip planned sometime soon, and it would be really nice to have a drone. That's why I pushed myself to get one. So here it is unfolded. There you go. And here it is, guys, unfolded without the props. So I still have to install the props. I'm looking to buy the Fly More kit just so I could have an extra battery and all the other accessories that come with it, especially the bag. I don't even have a bag for it. So all these protective plastics everywhere on the unit. It's pretty nice, I guess. Here's a closer look at the controller. So I've seen this controller plenty of times. My cousin, my friend, they all have Mavics. So I've seen this. I was thinking about getting the smart controller, but I really don't know what I really need until I use it. So I can get the smart controller if I need to after the fact. So I'm not really totally worried about it right now. Attach them like so. So you got a joystick. I still have to probably charge this thing too. It's probably out of battery as well. What's this one? This looks like the charger. Got a power brick. That's cool. And this one is your power cord. Okay, power cord, power brick. The charger just charges one battery at a time. I guess the Fly More kit will have a charging base make everything faster. So I guess that's how it charges. All right, it's pretty cool. What's in this other smaller box here? Oh, okay. Extra thumbsticks. Cool. Oh, before I forget, let's put on these props. So you have 4, right? So 4. But in the kit also comes with some spares. So that's nice of them. It's an easy install, it looks like. It's just you push it down and then you twist it into the motor. So see here, there's the motor. There's one. There's 2. Here we go. All the props installed. There it is, folded. I'm gonna go ahead and charge the battery and we'll fast forward in time. This is gonna take a while. So we're now charging the controller and also the battery. Alright guys, so that concludes the unboxing and first flight test of the Mavic 2 Pro. I really like it so far. I think it's worth it. Right now it's not evident, you know, how I'm gonna use it, but the same thing when I started photography. I invested in super expensive cameras because of, I kind of have a picture in my mind of how I want this hobby or this thing to go. So in time I'll catch on, you know, to the capabilities of the equipment, but for now, super basic stuff. I just flew in this empty parking lot because I don't know where else to go at this moment. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that, but in the future is what I'm anticipating. So when I go on that trip, you guys will probably see the area of where I'm going in a much nicer setting than just me on the floor filming the ground. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.